In the previous video, you learned the secret of a single candlestick, but that powerful secret is completely useless without the right tools. The Quotex platform isn't just a collection of buttons. It's a minefield for beginners. One wrong click, one incorrect setting can wipe out all your profits. Today, I'm going to turn this confusing dashboard into your personal command center for making profits. And I'll show you which settings you need to change immediately and how to prepare the platform for our 1-minute strategies with just a few simple clicks. This isn't just a simple tour. This is the training that will arm you for a powerful and fundamental start in binary options. Hello friends, welcome to OptionForge. I'm Babak. Before I hand over the keys to the command center, I have a quick 10-second mission for you that will guarantee your success on this path. First, hit the subscribe button. By doing this, you're not just simply watching a video, you're officially enrolling yourself in this completely free bootcamp and making absolutely sure that you won't miss out on any advanced strategies or future insights. Second, turn on the notification bell. In the world of trading, timing is everything. This prominent bell is your essential personal signal, meticulously ensuring that you consistently receive the very latest, most comprehensive analyses and effective strategies as soon as they are officially released, so you are always truly one significant step ahead of everyone else in the market. And finally, a quick, appreciative tap on the like button. This simple action doesn't cost you anything at all, but it profoundly tells YouTube that we're diligently building a truly dedicated and vibrant community of serious, insightful traders, and it genuinely helps us reach many more people just like you who are eager to learn the absolutely correct and effective way to trade. Alright, if the mission is accomplished, let's get started. The first step is to get familiar with your battlefield. The biggest and most important visual element directly in front of you is the price chart. You should truly think of this as your personal battlefield. Every movement, every candlestick is the vivid, breathtaking story of the battle between buyers and sellers. When the candles are green, it means the army of buyers is advancing and pushing the price up. When they're red, the sellers have taken control. All of our strategies and all future decisions are carefully based on a precise analysis of the story being told on this particular chart. Please look at the very top right corner. This is the main command center of your account. You can see your balance, and with a simple click, you can switch between your live account and demo account. Golden rule number 1. The demo account is your flight simulator, a completely safe environment with $10,000 of virtual money for practice, strategy testing, and skill building without risking a single dollar. Until you become a truly skilled pilot in this flight simulator, don't even begin to think about real-world flight. Now please go to the top left. This is precisely where you choose your battlefield. By clicking on this plus sign, a list of all available markets will open. At the top, you see 4 tabs: currency pairs, crypto, commodities, and stocks. The percentage number next to each currency pair, for example 92%, is your rate of return, your war spoils. This means if you win a $100 trade, you receive $92 in net profit. Our strategy is to always fight in arenas that offer the highest returns. Also, if you wish, you can click on the star so that currency pair is always accessible to you and moves to the top of the list. At the bottom left of the screen, there is a comprehensive set of icons. The very first icon, positioned prominently, allows you to meticulously choose the specific chart display type that best suits your analytical needs. Options like area, candle, bars, and Heiken Ashi. But all of these, except for the candle, hide important information from you. Our weapon of choice and that of all professional traders is the candle. Because, as you learned in the previous video, each candle contains 4 pieces of vital information: the open point, the close point, the high, and the low. Above the chart type icon, you'll find the candle time frame. 1 minute is your strategic zoom on the battlefield. When you set it to 1 minute, it means that each individual candle you see on the screen clearly shows you the complete and detailed story of a 60-second battle, providing a comprehensive overview of the market's dynamics. For our fast trading strategies, this particular 1-minute setting is an excellent and highly recommended starting point. In the future, you can certainly set your candles here from 1 minute and upwards, but I strongly don't recommend going below 1 minute because the individual candles move far too quickly and it might potentially confuse you. At the beginning, 1 minute, 2 minute, or even 3 minute candles can be suitable. Personally, I use 1 minute candles here. Go back to the command panel on the right side. The first section is related to the time or expiration period. This is the most important setting in binary options. Here, you set the end time of your mission. That is, you tell the broker that your prediction is valid for the next X minutes. To start, we set this time to 1 minute so that it matches exactly with the 1 minute time frame of our candles. Here, as I explained to you in the previous video, you can set your expiry time between 1 and 5 minutes. Below the time, there is the investment section. This is the amount of ammunition you allocate for each mission. Golden rule number 2 and the most vital rule for survival in this battlefield. Never risk more than 1 to 5% of your total capital on a single trade. This crucial rule meticulously protects you from financial ruin and allows you to consistently stay in the active battlefield, diligently continue your trading activities, and absolutely prevents your entire account from being completely wiped out. And now, under the investment section, we have 2 main buttons, up and down. After you've done your analysis and are confident in your decision, these buttons are your trigger. Up is for a bullish prediction and down is for a bearish prediction. Your payout also serves as a powerful reminder of the significant reward awaiting you if you truly succeed. This is often a crucial and cleverly hidden trick that most inexperienced beginners frequently overlook. Please pay attention to this small timer that is steadily moving along the price line. It shows the time remaining until the current candle closes. The absolute best time to pull the trigger and enter the very next trade is precisely within the first 5 seconds of a completely new candle opening. This crucial timing gives your prediction a full minute to successfully hit the target. In fact, this visible countdown here clearly shows you exactly how many seconds are left until this current candle closes. On the right panel, you'll find the logbook containing all your battles. All your open and closed trades are recorded here with all the details. A good commander always reviews their reports to learn from victories and avoid repeating mistakes. Now let's turn to the top bar of the chart. The green deposit button at the top left is your gateway to entering the real world of trading. By clicking on it, you will be taken to a secure page where you can fund your account using various methods such as Visa, MasterCard, cryptocurrencies, which are fast and inexpensive, or other available options. Do you remember the bonus code I introduced to you in the previous video? This is where you need to enter it to receive 50% more ammunition. To the right of the deposit button, there is the withdrawal option. This is the sweetest part of our work. This is where you transfer the profits and spoils you've earned on the battlefield to your bank account. But before that, you need to do something very important. In order to easily withdraw your money, you need to verify your identity with the broker. Go to the account section from the menu on the left. Here, you will find the necessary instructions for uploading your identification documents. Golden rule number 3. Always complete the verification process before making a deposit. This will prevent any delays or issues when withdrawing your profits. As I showed you in the previous video, the registration links are provided in the description section below all the videos. You can quickly go to the registration page either by clicking on the link or by copying and pasting it into your browser and register for free in less than a minute with just an email and password. And my suggestion is that after registering, you immediately proceed to verify your account and submit your identification information here and upload your documents in this section. Altogether, this entire process, including account verification, will take less than 5 minutes of your time. It takes. If you encounter any issues with verifying your account, you can contact me via email and I will guide you. Now, let's go back to the left side of the chart. Here, you see 6 options. The first section is related to trading, which is highlighted in blue. If you are in this mode, you will remain on the chart page and can proceed to trade. The next section, just below it, is related to support. If you have any questions or issues with the platform, refer to the support section. A direct communication line will be established for you with the broker's support team. They will assist you promptly. The next significant section is directly related to your personal account, which I previously explained to you in a little more detail earlier. The subsequent important section is entirely about various tournaments, which are truly an excellent and effective way to practice your trading skills in real market conditions and to compete actively with other skilled traders using virtual money and simulated environments. This significantly helps you effectively test your trading strategies under considerable psychological pressure, and you can even win substantial real cash prizes. The next important section is about the comprehensive market. Here, you can readily find active bonus codes, exciting promotions, and special tools generously offered by the broker. If you have a specific code, you can easily enter it in this section. The next section is specifically about more. There are 3 distinct options available here. The very first one is analytics, which comprehensively provides you with valuable information about your trades in the form of detailed charts. The next section is top. Here, you can see the best traders who have achieved the highest profits. The next section is about signals. Here, you are provided with trading signals for currency pairs, commodities, stocks, and crypto. However, I recommend that you use this section less at the beginning. Now, pay attention to the clock displayed at the top of the chart. This is the official server time of the broker, and all trades are recorded and closed based on this time. And finally, let's go back to the icons at the bottom left. Here, you have 2 options. This is your arsenal of advanced tools. This is the place we'll be dealing with a lot in the upcoming sections. Powerful indicators like stochastic, oscillator, RSI, and EMA will be added to the chart from this section. These tools help us find more precise entry signals. Remember, these analytical tools are not magic weapons or mystical solutions, but they can be incredibly helpful and highly effective in making informed decisions to confidently enter a trade. In future videos, I will meticulously teach you how to properly add and thoughtfully combine them, and how to effectively build powerful and consistently profitable strategies using these valuable tools. Now it's time for me to congratulate you. You're no longer just a rookie soldier. You are now a seasoned commander who intimately knows every single corner of your expansive command center. You understand precisely what every single button does, and you are fully prepared and ready for the impending battle. Now that you are familiar with your tools, in the next video, we will move on to building your first practical and profitable strategy using this very platform and the tools I will introduce to you. So if you don't want to miss that strategy session, and the upcoming tutorials. Make sure to subscribe right now and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for staying with me up to this point in the video. I'll see you in the next video.